I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to audit your data sharing on Apple Maps on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and then tap Privacy and Security. Step 2. Tap Location Services at the very top of this menu. Scroll through your list of apps and tap Maps. Step 3. Review your precise location setting. If this is toggled on, Apple Maps will use GPS to know your exact house number. If you only need maps for general directions or local weather, you can toggle this off. Maps will then only see your approximate location, which is usually within a few hundred feet. Step 4. Next, let's audit who you are sharing your data with. Go back to the Privacy and Security menu and then tap Safety Check. Step 5. Tap Manage Sharing and Access. This is the best tool for an audit because it shows you exactly which people and apps have access to your location. Step 6. Tap Continue to see a list of people you're sharing your information with. If you see someone you previously shared a live ETA or share my location with from within the Maps app, they will appear here. You can stop sharing information with someone by tapping to select them and then tapping Review Sharing. Tap any elements you want to stop sharing with that person on the next screen, and then tap Stop Sharing to revoke their access. If you want to go further and see the most detailed data Apple has on your travel habits, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, then scroll to the very bottom and tap System Services. From here, tap Significant Locations. This feature keeps track of places you visit frequently, like home, work, or your favorite gym, to provide better traffic data. While this data is encrypted and Apple claims they can't read it, you can tap Clear History at the bottom of this screen to wipe that tracking data and start fresh. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.